What's up, Brian?
There's so many nice cars here, guys. We just came to Westlake.
I haven't even done my intro yet.
Yeah, let me do it for you. Can I do it for you?
Yeah, go for it.
Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another Yuwan Ford.
Twin turbo Huracan and a Huracan STO. This one was here last night too. At the VH2 event. Yeah, this is the same exact one. I'm pretty sure. Brian's dream job.
Oh, dude, I could finally become a CHP officer.
This thing is so clean. This is a dream car for sure. There's a really clean red GT3 RS over there too. Oh, ultraviolet GT3 RS. First Senna. First Senna. Never seen this one before. Black and red. Yeah. This one was at the PML Quick Strike. There's 3 STOs here. Or there may be even more, but so far there's 3. Alright, now there's 4 STOs, including that one over there. You can barely see it. I don't think I've ever seen a Agera in person before. Oh, you know, like 50K.
This is so much better than looking at Mustangs and Infinities.
Yeah, I would say so. The lineup of cars here is just completely insane. LaFerrari, 2 Ford GTs. There's more over here. Another LaFerrari, another Ford GT, 2 Sennas.
You're gonna see more than 2 Sennas today. I knew it.
Right. It's a Bentley. The Veyron over there too. Don't see those every day. Oh, Brian, it's a P1. P1, let's go.
What the?
I was just about to say we haven't seen a P1 yet. There it is. That one's supercharged. Oh. They come supercharged.
God damn, bro.
M4 CS, M4 GTS, another M4 GTS.
Porsche went into their lane or something.
We switched sides so we could get a better angle. VF engineering one left. Oh, there's a super here, bro.
Subscribe to Yuwan 410! Or maybe just Yuwan. I forgot what it was. Yeah.